Hi, this is Orphanfour from Rage Server, and today I want to show you how to make my automatic potion machine. Most of the potion machines you'll find out there, they say they're automatic. You can push a button and it'll make one batch. It might make different types if you push a different button, but they aren't really fully automated because you have to be there pushing the button every time a batch finishes, and usually you'll have to take the bottles off the stand too. But this one runs continuously and will fill large chests. All you have to do is load it with stacks of ingredients and lots of water bottles. So the first part, and we've broken it down into four major components. The first part is the hopper timer. It's a basic hopper timer where the hoppers dump into each other. This one's tied to an RS NOR latch using a bunch of repeaters so that it does what we need it to. I'll give you the spin around here. Alright, the next component is the bottle change circuit. This was really tricky to come up with. Let you read the notes here. These are the three timers that get you 3 ticks, possibly 4. And it works by when the bottles are on being brewed, the bottom hopper is locked so that the bottles stay on the stand. When it goes to change, that one unlocks and the top one locks, like so, so that there's an opportunity for 3 bottles to flow off of the stand, and then it closes and naturally 3 water bottles refill the stand. I'll give you the spin around of this component. Now the next major component to this machine is the on-off switch and overflow detection. It sounds really trivial, but this part is actually very important. It will keep it from wasting bottles and screwing up potions repeatedly. Basically, we have a redstone comparator monitoring the hopper just above the brew stand so that the timer circuit will not start until the last ingredient has entered the brew stand. So it just pauses the timer. That way the timer can be the duration of one ingredient, and it doesn't matter how many ingredients you load this machine with because the timer won't start until the hopper empties. Also, if you happen to have a jam and there's an ingredient that won't brew that gets in there, it pauses the machine so it doesn't sit there and waste bottles and make crap potions all day. So that's a very important part. Now if you follow this line around, it goes right around and down to the side of the timer, and it pauses it as long as there's something in that hopper or it's in the off position. So that's how that part works. Now that's part 3. Now then part 4, it's pretty simple. It is the ingredient dropper circuit and the hopper system to guide it into that top hopper. I'll give you the spin around here. Basically, it feeds off of the same point on the circuit where the output of the timer is, and every time the timer pulses, it goes through these series of repeaters in between each dropper so that the ingredients drop one after another, and that way they arrive at the brew stand in the proper order. If you have them all drop at once, your ingredients are probably going to get scrambled. And this is how this is done. I'll give you the spin around here. You don't have to use glass up here, you can use any material you want, but you got to have something around these hoppers so the ingredients just don't fly over them. And that is part number 4. Give you one more pass here. So basically, your nether wart goes into this hopper, and then the successive ingredients thereafter go in the other 4 hoppers. And that is my potion machine. I hope you like it. I've gone through about 8 different designs to arrive at this. I consider it almost perfect, but everything is always open to improvement. If you see a better way, please show me. And if you want to see it in action, come visit my favorite server, rageserver.net, or in your Minecraft, it's mc.rageserver.net. Thanks for your time.